giving you something from the Fada'il of Az-Zahra. That is not something from me or you. This is something from Imam Al-Baqir alayhi salam. From Jabir ibn Abdullah. Jabir came to the Imam, Yabna Rasulillah, tell me something, narrate me something that you consider amongst the best of the maqamat and fada'il of Az-Zahra salamullahi alayha. Now imagine, this is a ma'soom, Imam huwa ma'soom. This is an infallible Imam narrating what he considers in his mind to be amongst the best of the fada'il of Sayyidah Fatima. Not something that I or you or anybody else for that matter. Now out of all things that Imam Al-Baqir alayhi salam could have said, you know what he says? What does Jabir say? Yabna Rasulillah, narrate to me something from Sayyidah Fatima that if I was to narrate it in a majlis min majalis al-Shia, if I was to narrate it in a gathering of amongst the gatherings of the Shia, it would make their hearts filled with joy and happiness. You know what he says? He says, "Oh Jabir, listen. حدثني أبي عن جده عن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله." I heard from my father, who heard from his grandfather, who heard from the Messenger of Allah. What did Rasulullah say? On the day of judgment, Yawm al-Qiyamah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will gather all the people, O Jabir. As the people will move towards Jannah, Allah will stop everyone in the mahshar. And a call will come out and will say, Aina Fatima? Where is Fatima, the daughter of Muhammad? And Sayyidah Zahra will come forward with Asiya, with Khadija, with Maryam, with Sarah, and the other women of Jannah. Imagine Sayyidah Zahra is coming forward with other women of Jannah. Sayyidah Zahra is right at the front. And Allah will say, "Oh Fatima, enter Jannah. Jannah is for you." Oh Jabir, Imam Baqir alayhi salam, "Oh Jabir, our grandmother Fatima will stop." And she will say, "Ya Allah, Fatima never asked you for anything, but today Fatima wants to know what is the manzilah, what is the maqam of Fatima with you." How? And the call will be heard, "Oh Fatima, your rank and your maqam is such that today anyone in the mahshar, anyone from the people who has even a dharra, a small iota of love for you and your family members, you intercede for them, make shafa'ah for them and take them to Jannah." Allahu Akbar. Sayyidah Fatima will choose. Here Imam Baqir alayhi salam says to Jabir, "Oh Jabir, listen. Our grandmother Fatima will then choose from amongst the people, each and every mu'min. In his heart, in his qalb, he has the hub of Fatima. And the hub al-Hussein, and the love of Imam al-Hussein." In other words, the Fatima will choose. You know how he says, how he will choose? How she will choose? Imam Baqir says she will choose like a bird chooses a seed from amongst the bad seeds. Now you know why they say Sayyidah Fatima will not just have a haqq or a right of shafa'ah. Her shafa'ah will be shafa'at al-kubra. This is what Imam al-Baqir alayhi salam narrates to Jabir. "Oh Jabir, go and tell the Shia